Are you tired of being stuck on one screen on your MacBook? Stick around and I'll show you a device that might help you out. Hey everybody, welcome back to Raph's Reviews. I am Raph, and on this channel I say don't spend your hard-earned money on something that may not fit your needs. Let me try it out for you first, help you decide whether or not it's something that you want to buy. So today's review is not sponsored. I purchased this product on my own, and I'm here to tell you what I think about it. So some of you know I have started going back to school, going after my master's degree, but it is online. I find myself, especially on vacationing, doing some of my schoolwork on my laptop. So, I don't know, over a decade ago was the first time that I ever used a dual monitor on a desktop, and at first I absolutely hated it, and then once I got used to it, I couldn't live without it. So, obviously, if I'm doing a lot of work on my laptop, I don't want to carry around a whole another monitor. So I've seen these for a little while and just decided to try to get it during this last Prime Day to try it out. And this is the portable tri-screen monitor. I don't even know who makes this. From somebody. I'll put the link down in the description so that way you guys see it. So inside the box it does also come with its own little carrying pouch for the monitors. Okay. As we open it up, got some protective padding. We got an instruction sheet. Installation video. Looks like the monitors itself. Some more padding, some little plastic pieces, cables, and a thumb drive. According to the directions, it looks like this might be for the drivers for the monitor. Okay, so for putting the monitors on itself, looks like we just open this up. Open our laptop up. And looks like it's supposed to just slide on the back here, so let me... Okay, and that is what it looks like when it's all on there. So I'm going to go ahead and install the drivers, power it up, and we'll see how it goes.
Okay. Now let's see how we're doing. Okay, we've got some monitors going. Okay, so they are just all in the different ways. So we want to do built-in display in the center. Okay, so now, yep, and yep. Perfect. So this is for the brightness of the displays. All right, so let's see how some stuff looks. So, I mean, it definitely looks like it's one of those old, very dim monitors. but I mean, it gets the job done. Okay, so that's how the install goes.
Okay, so as you see, it works as advertised. One cable, plug it in, you've got 3 monitors, so it definitely does what it's supposed to do. Now, here's a few concerns that I have. Number one, with the way it folds, one screen is always unprotected. Don't like that. Feel like that's a disaster waiting to happen. It's pretty heavy, so it's not very feasible to still work on your lap, because as if I would move the wrong way, the weight of the monitor would pull the lid closed. It does have a little kickstand on the back side so that it'll keep it from flipping open, so I mean that's good, but nothing to really stop it from coming forward. Setup and install is pretty easy. Like I said, works as advertised. Here's my thoughts. On top of the screen having the potential to get broken, I don't like the looks of the screen. It's very dull, it's very dark. If you think about like maybe older computers in like the 80s or early 90s, how it was kind of just that dark display with not a lot of life to it. That's the equivalent of these monitors. So personally, I'll be sending this back because I don't like the look of it. As you saw in the video, it's not that the look is horrible. I just, for the money that I spent on it, I would rather have better looking displays. So it's going to be a no for me, dog. But it might work for you if you're just doing. No, I wouldn't. Obviously, I would never try to watch any movies on it or anything because the display's that bad. But even just like a web page, the whites are like gray. And if I'm using multiple monitors, it's because either A, I'm doing schoolwork, or B, I'm editing photos or videos, and I need a nice looking display for that kind of stuff. So, it's just not going to work out for my needs, but it may work out for yours. Like I said, it works as advertised. All was good to go, minus the color. So that's going to do it for today's videos. Thanks so much for sticking around. I know it's been a while, but it's been a while since I ordered anything. And unfortunately, the first order I make is a dud and we'll have to go back. So is what it is. It's the price that we pay, but that's why I'm here to review these things for you and let you know what my thoughts are before you go through the same process. With that being said, please go ahead and drop down in the comment section any questions that you have about the product that maybe I didn't answer, or any additional things that you'd like to mention about the product itself. Also, if there's anything that you want to have reviewed, please reach out and let me know. I'll contact the company, see if they'll allow us to do a review for it. And when you do that, just make sure you put in the comments anything in specific that you want me to check out for you. And last but not least, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you go down there, smash that thumbs up button, and also subscribe to the channel so you can see when any new content comes up. All right, we'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.